Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE Fire 7, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into a recovery mode. So, to get started, we're gonna first turn off our device, and we're gonna do this by holding power button and volume up at the same time. And from here, just select shut down twice, and the device will turn off. Now, it should be told, I'm not necessarily sure which one was it, volume up or volume down, so I'm going to start off with the volume up, so power button and volume up to be more precise, and we're going to see if this is the correct combination. So let go of the, that is the correct combination. So when you see this mode, you can let go of these buttons, and then using volume up to navigate down, logically, obviously, we want to select recovery mode, which is the first one. So just make sure that this arrow right here just jumps all the way to back to the top, and when it does, press volume down to confirm. Again, another great choice as a, uniformity of UI. When you do, it will believe first black us with Android with no command, and there we go. So when you see this, hold power button, and while holding it, press volume up once. And this will then redirect you to the recovery mode. And now in here, we can actually use the buttons that you expect to do to navigate in a way that might be a little bit more natural. So volume down will actually navigate down now, and volume up goes up. And the power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So with that in mind, let's quickly go over the options that we have access to in here. We have first Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. We have a Reboot to bootloader, which will bring us to that previous page that we have seen. Then we have Fast Boot Mode, Apply Updates from ADB or SD card, Wipe Data, Mount System, View Logs, Run Tests, and Power Off. So I'm going to stick with the first option, confirm it, and you've seen for a brief moment there was rebooting, and it's just going to reboot the device and bring me back to Android now. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.